Let's solve for x. 3x minus 12 is less than 5x plus 10. Our first is to identify our variable, which is x. Next, we're going to move our constant. So we're going to add 12 to each side. So we will have 3x is less than 5x plus 22. Next, we are going to have to move our 5x to the other side. So then we will have negative 2x is less than 22. Now we'll look at negative 2 times x, and to get x by itself, we're going to have to do the inverse operation, which is division. So we will be dividing by a negative, so we have to use our golden rule of inequality, meaning we are going to have to flip this sign because we are dividing by a negative. So we will be dividing by a negative. So therefore, our answer is going to be x is greater than 11. And that is our final answer.